Just finished assembly on this matte silver grand hauler dump bed kit. It's mounted up on my bench chassis here just to show how it looks, but turned out really nice. I posted a video this morning of a white one that was pre-sold. This one will be for sale. As usual, has the electric tarp, electric lift with limit switches. It'll come with a rear bumper of your choice. I have 6 different ones to choose from here right now. You just need 2 speed controls, one for the tarp and one for the lift. And you wire it up to your truck's power supply and you're good to go. Anyways, yeah, just wanted to post a video of this quickly. I'm going to post some pictures and I'll post pricing and whatever else in the ad. Thanks for watching.